Hello, I'm Jeff Tennant. Trading is closed on July 14th, 2015. Well, I had a target most likely to print today of 2095.07, and that one did not print and gets added to the list. However, I get to cross two failed targets off the list, 2106.60 and 2111.29. They failed in June, but they printed now. Well, I have a failed target from the 10th and a failed target from the 13th. How confident am I that these will print? These are all the failed targets, the other failed targets in the last fiscal year. I have one near the high. The system likes to leave a failed target near the high, so I consider this a signal rather than a failure if the call for a high is correct. I've got one failure in February. I have a cluster in October of 2014, and before that you have to go back to April of 2014 to find a failed target which never printed. So I think the chances are pretty good these targets will print. Today's mejt system gives us three targets, new ones, 2107.88, 2104.20, and optionally 2102.91. If this one doesn't print by tomorrow, I'd forget it. The software also identifies an infrequent but reliable page 120 sell signal. The signal says that before tomorrow's close, we should have at least one drop of at least 8 to 10 points. The system is 13 years old. I have one failure in which we only dropped 7.5 points. Other than that, it always works. The catch is it doesn't say from where the drop starts. It's also negative that after rallying all day long, we closed under the middle of the day high. It's negative unless we promptly take out today's high. And if we don't, I suspect that the 8 to 10 point drop is already underway. Unfortunately, that doesn't give us much more to play on the downside. However, the system is pretty insistent that lower targets are coming, and even if they don't come tomorrow, I personally don't think we'll have to wait too long, and that's today's call.